Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, numbers and sequences, exercise 2.9. We will continue with the fourth sum. How many terms of the series 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube should be taken to get the sum 14,400? Okay, so if we add cubic terms like this, that is 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube. How many cube we have to take so that we have to get the answer. We will get the answer as 14,400. Okay, so 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube is equal to 14,400. We know the formula for cubic terms. Sum of the cubic terms is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This is the formula for finding the sum of the cubic terms is equal to, it is given 14,400. Okay, so when we find the root of this, we are asked to find the value for this n. We are asked to find the value for this n. Okay, so when we find the square root on both the sides, square root on both sides, square root on both sides, if we find the square root on both sides, this square and the square root will get cancelled. So that is root of n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to root of 14,400. So this root and square will get cancelled. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 120. So 12 12s are 144. Remaining 2 zeros. So now if we simplify, we will get the value for n. So that many terms we have to take so that the sum will be 14,400. Okay. So here n squared plus n is equal to 240. So this 2 will go to the other side, it will get 240. So n squared plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. So when we multiply 16 and 50, 6 5s are 30, it will be 80, then 16, then 240 we will get. Okay, so n squared, 16n and 15n when we multiply, we will get 240. Here positive sign is there for the sum. So bigger number to be taken for the bigger number. So that is plus 16 minus 15. So plus 16 minus 15 is minus 240. When we find the difference of this, we will get plus n. Okay, so n squared plus 16n minus 15n minus 240 is equal to 0. So now, if we take this n common, n into n plus 16. So here if we take n plus 16, we will get minus 15 outside is equal to 0. So n plus 16 and n minus 15 is equal to 0 we get. That is n is equal to minus 16 and n is equal to 15. So n cannot be negative. So n value is equal to 15. So so we have to take 15 terms. We have to take 15 terms in the given series so that we will get the sum as 14,400. Next sum is the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is 2025. Then find the value of n. This is the question. Okay, this is like the previous question only. Sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube is equal to 2025. Is equal to 2025. Then find the value of n. So we know that sum of the cubes of natural numbers formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. That value is given as 2025. Okay, so that value is given as 2025. So we know that for 2025 it is 45 square. So 45 into 45 is 2025. So n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 45. So now we will find the square root on both the sides. Square root on both sides. If we take square root on both sides, root of n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to root of 45 square. Okay, so the square and root will get cancelled. We will get n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 45. So, n into n plus 1 is equal to 90. Then, if we simplify this, n square plus n minus 90 is equal to 0. So, this 90 we can simplify as 10 nines are 90. So, n square plus n squared 9n 10n minus 90 is equal to 0. So, for this bigger number sign should be positive. So, plus minus 10 nines are 90 minus 90 will get. So, n into n minus 9. So, here if it is n minus 9 we have to take plus 10 outside. So, plus 10n minus 90 is equal to 0. So, n minus 9 and n plus 10 is equal to 0. So, n is equal to 9 and n is equal to minus 10. So, n value is 9. N is not negative. So, n value is equal to 9. So, the sum of the cubes of the first n natural numbers is 25. Then the value of n is 9. So, if we add 9 natural numbers and find the cube of that, we will get the value as 2025. Next sum is, Rekha has 15 square color papers of size 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm up to 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? Okay, so area to be decorated. Area can be decorated. Decorated is equal to, since it is square paper, 10 squared plus 11 squared plus 12 squared up to 24 squared. Okay, so we are asked to find the area of this. So, area is equal to, how to calculate? Previously we have done few sums like this. So, that is 1 square plus 2 square up to 24 squared we will add. Then we will subtract. We need only from 10. So, 1 to 9 we will subtract. That is 1 square plus 2 squared up to 9 squared we will subtract. Okay. So, the formula for square numbers is here. N is equal to 24. For this n is equal to 9. Okay. So, here formula for finding the square numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here n is equal to 24, here n is equal to 9. Okay, so here 24 into 24 plus 1, 25 into 24 into 2 is 48, 48 plus 1, 49 by 6 minus 9 into 9 plus 1, 10 into 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. Okay, if we simplify, we will get the required answer. Okay, then 6 4s are 24 here. Here 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, then 2 5s are 10. So, when we multiply this, 25 into 4 is 100. This is equal to 25 into 4 is 100 into 49 minus 3 into 5 is 15 into 90. So, this one will be 4900 minus 285 will get when we multiply 15 into 90. So, 4900 minus 285 will be 5164. So, 4650. 4650. So, the area that can be decorated with the color papers of 10 square, 11 square, 12 square up to 24 square is 15 square centimeters. Find the sum of the series 2 cube minus 1 plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube. For this we are asked to find n terms and 8 terms. So, the question given here is 2 cube minus 1, we can write that as 1 cube plus 4 cube minus 3 cube plus 6 cube minus 5 cube. Like that it is going on. Okay. So this we can write it as sigma even number cube minus sigma odd number cube. Okay, so 2, 4, 6 are all even numbers and 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. So we have to find the cube of this. Here in between subtraction symbol is there, so subtraction symbol we are writing. So this we can write it as sigma 2n cube. So this one is 2n cube. Since it is even number, we can write it as 2n minus odd number is 2n minus 1 the whole cube. Sigma 2n minus 1 the whole cube. So this is of the form sigma 2n cube minus 2n minus 1 the whole cube. So this is of the form a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b the whole cube into a squared, a minus b the whole cube is equal, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b the whole cube minus 3a minus 3a into a minus b plus 3a into a minus b. This is the formula. So here we will take a is equal to 2n and b is equal to 2n minus 1 and substitute it in the formula. So sigma a minus b the whole cube. So a is 2n minus 2n minus 1. Okay, the whole cube plus 3 into 3ab into a minus b. 3ab into a minus b. So 3 into a is 2n into b is 2n minus 1 into a minus b, that is 2n minus 1. Okay, so sigma, so 2n minus 2n plus 1 the whole cube we will get here plus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, n squared. Here 2n minus 1 is there. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, n squared minus 6n. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 n squared minus 1 is 3 2s are 6n. And here 2n minus 1 minus 1. So 2n minus 2n plus 1. So plus 2n minus 2n will get cancelled. Here also plus 2n minus 2n will get cancelled. So we get sigma 1 cube plus 12n squared minus 6n. That's all. Here we are having only 1. So this we can write it as sigma 1 plus 12n squared minus 6n. Okay, so now sigma is there. After this, sigma 1 value is n. Sigma 1 value is n. Okay, plus 12 into sigma n squared is sum of the square numbers. What is the formula for sum of the square numbers? N times. It is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. That is sigma n squared formula. Okay. Minus 6 into sigma n. Sum of n natural numbers. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So when we simplify this, we will get n terms for value. So 6 2s are 12. Then here 6 and 3 times it will go. So n plus 2 into n squared plus n into 2n plus 1 minus 3n into n plus 1. Everything has to be multiplied here. So n plus 2n squared plus 2n into one more 2n plus 1 minus 3n squared minus 3n. Okay. So n plus 2 2s are 4 n cube plus 2 2s are 4 n squared plus 2n squared plus 2n minus 3n squared minus 3n. Okay, so now n here plus 2n plus n. So we'll get 3n plus 3n. This is plus 3n. This is minus 3n. Will get cancelled. Then same way n squared also. Here n squared is 4 plus 2. 6n squared is there. So 6n squared minus 3n squared. So 6 minus 3, 3n squared will get. So 4n cube plus 3n squared. Okay, so 4n cube plus 3n squared. This is sum to n terms of the given sequence. Okay, so this is the series given. For that the m terms is 4n cube plus 3n squared. Okay, now this is the answer for the first one. First one answer. Now second one is for 8 terms we are asked to find. That is n is equal to 8. We will substitute n is equal to 8 here and find the value. Okay, so n is equal to 8. So 4 into 8 cube plus 3 into 8 square. Okay, so 4 into 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8. 8 4s are 32. 6 8s are 48. 512. 4 into 512 plus 3 into 8 8s are 64. So 512 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 20. So 2048 plus 64 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. 192. So with this if we add 192 we'll get 10. 9 plus 10. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 2 10. Then 14 2 2. So 2240. So this is the sum to 8 terms. Okay. With this I am completing today's class. This numbers and sequence chapter is over with this. In the next class we will be doing the third chapter. Okay. If you have any doubts you message me in the comment box. Thank you.